Hi, Karina Gardner here, and today we're going to be talking about the color guide. I don't think I've even shown this in my classes, so this is like a quick little lesson to show you what you can do if you're one of those people who says, I really stink at color. It's really hard for me to pick colors. I think you're going to really like this. But before we get started, I wanted to ask you a question. When is the last time you paid for something and you got a lot more than what you paid for? I am going to tell you that that is my design bootcamp. It is only $17, but it's 5 days of virtual, live, learning how to strategically become a designer, a smart designer that makes money. So if you want to join me in my upcoming bootcamp, make sure and do that by clicking on either my profile or my description and come join me for that. It's $17 and you will learn so much. It is incredible, okay? So come join me for that. I can't wait to see you there. All right, so let's talk about the color guide. If you go to window and you go to color guide, there is a window specifically dedicated to it. So I'm going to click on that. You can see mine has popped up here in the corner. Now this is an amazing thing because first of all, it'll give you shades and tints so you can kind of play with that. And as you click across here, you'll notice that it's just giving me the main color. So if you come up here to this harmony rules, it will give you colors that all relate to that yellow, right? So you're messing around with it and playing with it, and it will give you different colors going with that yellow. So where does this come in handy? Okay, if I'm designing a fabric line, for example, I'm designing a fabric line and I have a certain kind of pink. I could come in here to this color guide with that pink and decide, oh my gosh, I would have never picked this blue to go with it, but it matches perfectly. So I'm going to use that as a secondary color. Pretty amazing, right? If you click on any of these other colors as your main colors, like this green, and then you pull down, oh, I thought it was going to change, but it didn't. Here, let's see if it will allow me to change. There we go. And now when I come down, it should allow me to take a look at all the different types of colors, your complementary, your analogous, but it gives you more than what your general color will give you. Cause like, see, this will give you this complementary too, or the left complementary, and it'll give you shades and tints in between. Pretty amazing, right? Okay, so take a look at this. It's pretty simple to use and you're just messing around with it and changing the colors here. So easy, right? And you can come down here to your document swatches. So if you have a color that you are looking for, you can click on that and take a look at that. Okay, just quick and easy for you to kind of play with. You can get way deeper into this and I want you to. So go play around with it. And that's it for today. Make sure and sign up for that design bootcamp because I would love to see you there. I would love to see you making money as a designer because that is my main goal. All of my designers are making money as designers. So I would love to see you there and we'll talk soon.